what is happening right now in the crypto market. In the weekend, price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, every other crypto is just dumping towards the downside, breaking every other support level. Well, for me it is a very good thing, because if you have watched my previous videos, I was saying again that it has to happen. But what exactly happened, I'll inform you guys. So let's get straight to the point. So I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and right over here, so this will be a very eye-opening reality video, so please watch this video till the end. I never say to watch till the end, but do watch this video. So first of all, the main dump started on Saturday and Sunday, and today also. Basically, when the today's daily candle started, when the Monday's daily candle opened, still we saw a huge dump. So first of all, let me make this clear that on weekend there is very low volume in crypto, because overall markets are closed and no one trades or buy and sell much crypto on weekend. Okay, so expecting these types of moves on weekend is just clear manipulation. I always say in my videos that price of Bitcoin is already getting manipulated a lot, and you can clearly see in the past we have seen price of Bitcoin getting manipulated a lot of times. For example, here this whole price was a manipulation only, and this pump as well. And I told you all that the price action, as you can clearly see, it is just pumping in a straight line, which obviously is just market making and manipulation. And don't fall for these greedy traps. Guess what happened? Market is getting manipulated right now, and well, first of all, people are already greedy that Trump has won the election, and now it will be Bitcoin strategic reserve will get approved in US and all of that FUD. First of all, let me make it clear, Trump is just a politician and he'll do anything to win the election. And second of all, the most important thing right over here, and this is all just a very ruthless work right over here, because the exchanges and these institutional, all the main big companies, they know that people are already greedy and they went long. When new all-time high Bitcoin was made, people were already greedy, they all went long, bought Bitcoin. So this was the right time to manipulate the price of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me show some interesting thing to you. If you look closely, price of Bitcoin is still at a very important support white zone from 91,800 to 93,000. This is a very important support, and basically you will see that price is not getting manipulated. Why I'm saying that it is getting manipulated, but I know for sure that you will doubt me and you will think that no, it is not getting manipulated. Price is just coming to its support. But let me show you one more thing. Look at Ethereum. Look at this price action right over here. As you can clearly see, this is the Saturday's candle. We saw one huge dump. Sunday's candle, we saw another dump. And today, Monday's candle, just as this candle opened, we saw a big huge dump towards the downside. You can clearly see this is all manipulation, because in weekend we cannot see these big candles at all. We can't, because there is not much volume. It is all exchanges and big institutions that are just liquidating you, hunting your stop loss to create liquidity in the market so that they can get the best price and they can buy in and trade with the best price. And this is what happens. All these centralized exchanges take your money, they profit from your fees, and they dump on you only because they have all the order books with them. They know where your stop loss is, where your liquidation price is. And when you see this green candle right over here, big volume green candle, everyone went long here due to greediness. Well, I did not. I entered in a short position because I made a video. I made it clear that if we see a big huge green candle breaking this downwards white trend line along with this white resistance zone, I'll enter in a short position, and I did exactly that. My entry price was 3,400 approx. First target was here 2,900, and I was trailing my stop loss. I did inform you guys on my Twitter as well. Obviously my second target was here 2,700, because you can clearly see this zone right here, this purple zone. I hope you can see. And obviously second target was here, this. And if you look closely, Ethereum's price exactly come at my level. So price of Ethereum went all the way down till here, this level, exactly till my another purple support from 2120 to 2170, and then it got a rejection, a wick towards the upside. And do you know how this wick got filled so quickly? Because of these institutionals and exchanges that got the liquidity enough to buy in back at this price 2130. Look at Solana. On Saturday we saw a huge red candle breaking this support zone. Okay, I thought okay, not an issue, because on Saturday and Sunday, as I told you all, there is not much volume, and still we saw a huge big engulfing kind of candle, and it did a breakdown. The second candle we saw made a dump, and today's clear manipulation you can clearly see. And you can clearly see price of Solana also exactly came at my level at $175, and I entered in a long position right over here, and I entered in a long position somewhat over here only. Why I entered in a long position? If you have watched my previous videos, I did entered in a long position at $178 as well when the price was near this level, because this is a very important support zone for Solana from 167 to 175 approx. And when I saw this huge dump, I entered here. Obviously at that time it was a risky trade, because I was thinking price can go all the way down till 167 also, but with a small amount I entered a long here, and my current take profit is somewhat over here. So let's see how this trade goes. And my stop loss is right over here. So 1:2 trade. So basically guys, this is all just clear manipulation. Do not get afraid. I always say that the price of Bitcoin is getting manipulated towards the upside and pumping in a straight line. Yes, it is. And to all those retailers and innocent traders that fall into this trap, the 19% of the traders, the greedy traders that go high leverage long and get liquidated, or just buy at the top, well, let me tell you that price also gets manipulated towards the downside as well. So don't think that price is only getting manipulated towards the upside. These institutions and exchanges can dump it towards the downside as well with just one click. Also one more thing, that you can clearly see price of Bitcoin is still sustaining this important white zone. So not a big issue right now for crypto, and obviously this is just a clear manipulation, and the price will get reversed towards the upside only. And yeah, I mean, these type of small corrections, small for Bitcoin but big for Ethereum and altcoins, these are necessary, and to flush out all these high gamblers and traders. But obviously it is just a manipulation. So yeah, it is just a very good entry price to enter in a long, or a just buy any coin you want. But I won't recommend, not giving any financial advice. And I hope you guys learned from my Ethereum trade as well, because this went exactly perfect. I told you all I will be entering in a short position if I see a big green candle breaking out towards the upside. Same thing happened. I entered in a short position. First target has been met, and if you are following me on my Twitter, you already know, not only this first target, but I booked all the way down till here. This exactly trade how I captured. So yeah, stay tuned on Twitter, because sometimes it takes time for me to make a video. So do follow me on my Twitter for latest updates, and do not copy trade me, rather learn from my trades. So yes, this is it for today's video, and I hope you understand what actually happened in the weekend in the whole crypto market, and nothing too much worry about. This is just a manipulation, a good manipulation I would say, and kind of ruthless for innocent people, but it is what it is. And now you know that price can also be manipulated towards the downside as well. And yeah, this is just a good entry price for me to go long, and I will enter in a long position on Bitcoin as well, but I already am in a long position on Solana right now, so I'm not over trading, and it's better to just wait and let's see what happens. So I hope you understand, and do watch my last 2 short videos as well. You will understand more knowledge about this huge drama, I would say, that happened. And yeah, If you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana or any other crypto you want, you can do that on Bybit. Just create an account for free, link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just create an account on any exchange. Just do not fall for any scams. Do follow me on my Twitter. I'll see you guys next time.